All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So I now have the dual driver Bluetooth in-ear headphones for one more. So there's one thing about this set of earbuds that I know I'm gonna like is, for one, these are active noise canceling right here. And you know, there's a few differences. These have dual drivers and they're active noise canceling, but it has something, oh man, it has something that the other ones don't have. The triple drivers should have a magnetic clip for this part of the earbud. So let's get it open here. Should be magnetic for these. I love the way One More does their packaging. You get premium packaging at a premium cost. So if you're paying these costs, these will run you about $150. So if you're paying $150, you want some kind of premium packaging. And just look at their packaging. Down to the magnetic tab here and the metal tab. And then you open it up, obviously, there you go. So let's pop this open here and we'll test these out. I'll hook these to the Pixel. I gotta see, I gotta hurry and get this out because these are supposed to be magnetic. Because remember, my complaint with the triple drivers that I have is that they weren't magnetic, and I felt like they probably would come apart. Boom, there it is. Man, there it is, magnetic, which is a good thing. Let's tear this off here. Yeah, let's put these aside right here. And then you get this right here in this box for the dual setup for your stereo equipment. And then right here, just premium packaging, man. This is crazy how they do this. I mean, but for $150, it should be premium. And you can see here, it's got the same setup, letting you know about the drivers and everything. But you guys are interested in the sound quality, and that's what I want to give you. But I got to show you what's in the packaging. For $150, you want premium packaging like this, folks. Trust me. All the different earbud sizes and everything are all here, just like in previous packaging. And in here, you're probably gonna have a little bag. Yep. For this kind of money, it definitely should be in there. Then you've got some manuals down here, and you got my One More stickers. Boom, there they are. You got the One More sticker. And you've got the other earbuds and drivers, hair fuzz that you have from them. And then obviously you got some paperwork and stuff there. And in here is going to be the cables. Yep, there you go. So you've got the Type-C on here to 3.5 in this packaging. That's pretty sweet right there. This is just a charging cable right here. But this right here is a 3.5 millimeter to Type-C for those that don't have a headphone jack. So that is super cool. Even though I have a headphone jack on the Pixel 3, well, I'm going to test it on the Pixel 3a. That is a very nice addition there. And again, premium packaging, premium price, premium product. I definitely want One More when it comes to having premium products, man. This is like premium presentation. And someone said, you know, I really like these, but they cost a lot. So maybe I can link up with One More and see if they'll have some to give away. Maybe I can get them to sponsor a video to give a pair of these away, because I'll admit these are not the most affordable, if you will. But if you're an audiophile, and a lot of you guys are, some of you guys have been using One More products longer than I have. So I would suggest that you try it, man. If you don't like it, you know you have a 14-day return period for most places. Some places are 30 days. But I guarantee you, when you crack the seal on these, you will like these headphones. So now I'm going to go ahead and pair them to the Pixel 3a XL, and we're going to listen to some Pandora, and I will tell you how they sound. Yes, I'll tell you how they sound. Let's get into it. But before I do that, let's take a look at the earbuds. So they corrected the problem that I had, and I call it a problem. They came with a solution, the magnet. Now, these aren't the strongest magnets, but it's a magnet, so it's really good. You know, you don't have to worry about them dangling. I don't know why they did that with the other one, having that just that little clamp right there. That is so 2000. So yeah, the magnet, yeah, that should have been a given. And then on this side here, obviously you've got, this is the left side, by the way, you've got the power button right here. And then on this one, you got a little switch right here where you can do the track. That's pretty sweet, man. Let me get my glasses real quick, make sure what that is, because those are some tiny font on there. Oh, this is to switch the stereo mode, and then A and C. Active noise canceling over here, and then stereo over here. Gotcha. Nice. All right, so power, microphone, active noise canceling, stereo, volume up and down, and pause and play. And then to charge these, there's going to be a little out on one of these. I believe it's right here. Yeah, here it is right here. There we go. That's how you charge. So it's pretty cool. Now let's pair them up and get it going. They talk when you pair them up, and I think that's pretty cool. You can do pair a new device. Let's power it on. You just keep holding, and now it's pairing. You can't hear it say it's pairing, but it's pairing, and I can hear it. And there's the dual setup there. And it should start to pair. There we go. And now it's got, the battery is at 100% already. That's good. You can see you can select all these right here. Really nice. Now let me listen to them. Let's open up some Pandora. Well, that problem is solved, folks. They got the magnetic on the front here, and that it actually works pretty well. It's not the strongest magnet. It's kind of weak. It's on the weaker side, but it's a magnet. It's not the clip, and I would rather deal with that. Now, with that being said, sound quality from these dual drivers with the active noise canceling is actually really strong. The active noise canceling is really strong. That's why I have it at right now. So if I change it and put it to the other, so it's just on pass-through. Yeah, I can't really tell much difference with the pass-through, but with the noise canceling, the pass-through off, yeah, it sounds pretty. It actually sounds really good. But I'll have to further test these in the gym in a very loud environment to really see if that active noise canceling is worth it, or working for that matter. But right now, man, the quality is great. It's not as good as the triple drivers, but it's still impressive. And that's the thing. I mean, with triple drivers and quad drivers, you're going to obviously probably get better sound. However, these actually work really, really well. I mean, there's nothing bad about them, but I just noticed a little bit more bass with the triple drivers, and then also the quad drivers plug in. But the wireless triple drivers, they sound really good because you have that feature. You can go in and actually, it almost sounds like it's a set of earbuds plugged in. But with that being said, these are still a hit. I mean, they may not have as much bass, but they do have the active noise canceling, and they have the magnetic thing here for the buds. It's kind of a win-win. I mean, you get to choose what you want. These are great in sound, but I think the triple drivers sound just a tad bit better. But the triple drivers don't have the magnetic locking, and the active noise canceling on these are actually really, really solid. So it's your man Jay. Hope you enjoyed, man. Another one down. One more these are just some fantastic earbuds, and I think you'll probably enjoy them if you pick them up. It's your man Jay. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.